Let's talk about resiliency. We throw the word around a lot, kind of like perseverance and tolerance and all those other value types of words. But when I think about resilience, I want us to really think about what the actual definition is. Resiliency isn't about how we endured something and made it to the other side, although sometimes it feels like that, like, oh, I made it to the other side, I'm resilient. Resiliency is about how you made it not just to the other side, but how you came out different and learned new skills to go about something else that's challenging in a different way. So don't confuse resiliency as just getting through something and enduring it and making it to the other side, but how you got through it and what are the new skills you learned through it that are going to change the way you do things in the future. That's what I really want our kids to learn.